Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making the devices discoverable. On your iPhone, turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then open Control Center and tap Airdrop. Choose contacts only or everyone depending on the recipient. Make sure your Apple Watch is unlocked and on your wrist so it can accept transfers. Once done, pick the file on your iPhone, photo, contact, or app link, and tap the share icon. You're now ready to select the Apple Watch from the AirDrop list and begin the transfer. You'll now execute the transfer. From the iPhone, select the item and use Share right arrow AirDrop, then pick the Apple Watch as the target. On the watch, you'll feel a tap and see an incoming alert. Tap Accept to approve. The watch will decide where the content opens. Photos go to Photos, contacts to Contacts, and links to their corresponding apps. Make sure to keep devices close and the screen active. Otherwise, the transfer may time out and you'll need to retry. Finish by verifying the item on your Apple Watch. Open Photos, Messages, or the relevant app to confirm receipt. If transfer doesn't complete, make sure both devices remain close, then toggle AirDrop, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi off and on. Restarting the iPhone and watch often clears persistent issues. If contacts only prevents discovery, switch AirDrop to everyone briefly to test. Remember to revert it afterward. One key tip: sign.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.